So guys, for the back now, want to work on the back. What do you have to do? Just the way we did for the front. Our shoulder, I've gone ahead to draw a straight line, but I want to explain. Our shoulder is 7 plus 1, you have 8. So I just go on the shoulder line, I just went and measure our head, then I draw a straight line which we form for our armhole. So the next thing that we will do now, let's work on our neck. Our neck, we use 3 by 3 for the front. For the back, I hope you can see this, you use 3 by 1 because you are making a jacket. 3 by 1, which is your width is 3 inches and your depth is 1 inch. Then you go ahead. Remember I told you that we always use this side of the curve for our back. So you go ahead and trace out your neck. Can you see what I'm doing? So the next thing is the shoulder slope. How do you create your shoulder slope? I hope you can see this clearly. How do you create your shoulder slope? You come on the armhole line, you come down by 1 inch. For the front we went down by 1.5, but for the back you come down by 1 inch. Then you trace, you mark your straight slanted line. You draw your straight slanted line, so your neck is ready. So the next thing now you will do is, for the back, we want to create our armhole on your chest line. For the front, on the chest line we went up by 3 inches. You will not go up by 3 inches. Again, what you have to do, from the shoulder slope to the chest line, can you see? From the shoulder slope to the chest line, you divide it into 2. Can you see? I divided it into 2 and went in by half inch instead of 0.5. But for the back, you go in by half inch. It is the front, you go in by 0.75, but for the back you go in by half inch. Then trace, then trace your curve. So for the back, want to eliminate, for the center back, want to eliminate, because so that our center back will not be bulgy. So what do you have to do? On your waistline for the back, just go in by 0.75. I hope you can see it. 0.75. Can you see? Just eliminate 0.75. Then from the neck part, draw a straight slanted line. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see that 0.75? You can as well go in by 1 inch or 0.75. It depends on your choice. Then the next thing is to draw another straight line to this point here. Can you see? Our back is ready. Just a straight line to your waist, to where you go in by 0.75. Then another straight line. Then we have this side is going out. That means you have eliminated all this side like so. You have eliminated the back, the center back, to give a perfect fit. So the next thing now is for our dart. How do you take your dart? Our dart here is 3.5. Then you draw a straight line. Come on the M line. Can you see? And measure your 3.5. And what you have to do is you eliminate. We want to eliminate our dash, just the way we did for the front. You remove 0.75, 0.75. Please note, while taking our dart, I did not start from this old line, this old block again. I started from this one this new line here. Let me put it that way. I started from this new line, so it's 3.5. I hope you can see, not this one. Just take note. So we want to eliminate our dart. 0.75, 0.75. Then draw a straight line. Can you see what I'm doing? For the front, at the jacket length, we went up by 1.5. You do the same thing also for the back. You will go up by 1.5. Sorry, you do the same thing for the back, but for the back, instead of going up by 1.5, you will go up by up by 1 inch. We went up by 1.5 for the front. For the back now, you go up by 1 inch. 1 inch. For your back now, you go up by 1 inch instead of 1.5. You go up by 1 inch, then draw a straight line, headline. Your back is ready. I hope you understand that. Just on your jacket length for your back, just go up on the dart leg, go up by 1 inch instead of 1.5. Then you draw your straight darted line. Your dart is ready. The next thing is taking our circumference measurement. We said our bust is 33 for jacket. Our normal measurement is 33. But when drafting a jacket, you add 1 inch to it. That is what we said. So our bust now, the measurement is 33 plus 1, you have 34. Plus 1, you have 34. When you divide 34 divided by 4, you have 8.5. You go ahead and measure your 8.5 on this slanted line, not on this old one again. On this slanted line, you measure your 8.5. 8.5. On your waist, our waist measurement is 27. 27 plus 1, you have what? 28. Because we are sewing jacket, it has to be, we have to create an ease for our jacket. It doesn't have to be tight, so you have to create an ease. So we have 28. 28 divided by 4, you have 7. So on this line now, can you see, mark your 7 plus the 1.5 that you took away here. The 1.5, this is 0.05, 0.75. When you add it together, you have your 1.5. So you add it back to it. You add your 1.5. So on your jacket length, it's the biggest part that you use for your jacket length, which is your hip. So my hip is 34. 34. Yes, my hip is 36. 36 plus 1, you have 37. Our hip is 36. 36 plus 1, you have 37. 37 divided by 4, you have 9.25. Just like the way we did for the front, we are just repeating the same thing for the back. You have 9.25. Can you see? Go ahead and measure your 9.25. Can you see? Can you see what I'm doing? Then mark your line. The jacket is getting set. So the next thing now, on this side front, we went up. On the side front, we went up by 1.5. So at the side back too. At the side back too, you go up by 1.5 from the jacket length. at the side back, you go up by 1.5 just to create a curve. I hope you can see what I'm doing, because we don't want our jacket to just be straight. We want it to have a beautiful shape. So this is it. Jacket is getting ready. The next thing now you will do is, on the armhole, from the shoulder slope at the front, we came back down by 2.5. So the same thing you do here, you come down by 2.5 at the back on the shoulder slope. I want to be sure. Yes, we came down by 2.5. So same thing to come down by 2.5. Then draw a straight line to your that edge. So I will extend it a bit too, because I want to create another armhole for the back. So this is me drawing a straight line and extending it a bit. Can you see? I've drawn a straight line and I've extended on that leg. The next thing that you do now is create the armhole. Go on that extension line on this point, go out by half inch. Can you see? And draw your armhole. Draw your armhole. Can you see? Our back is ready. I'm done now. I will be showing you the cutting. So now be cutting the pattern. Firstly, you'll be working on the front, and I want you to look at how I'll be cutting it. So before you cut, ensure your bust dart, can you see? Ensure you pick the line. Can you see? Your bust, ensure you pick your bust dart like so. Then place it. I want to pick this bust dart line and place it on this bust point. Can you see? On the bust point. That's what I want to do. I hope you can see what I'm doing. And place it on the bust point. Then trace. All this thing we are doing is just to avoid shortage. Then trace. Can you see? Can you see? I've traced it out. I've gone ahead. Just place this bust dart line to the bust point. After doing it, place it down, then trace before you cut out. So now we are cutting out. Please be careful when cutting. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Then you follow the new one that you just traced. Can you see? Can you see what I'm doing? Can see, I've traced out the side. Can you see the side now? Can you see? tracing out, cutting out, sorry. So I'll cut out the leg. So we are done with the front like so. So we'll go for the back now. So I'm cutting out the elimination part. I hope you can see. Can you see? Sorry about that. So our back pattern is ready. So this is our back. So this is our front. So for the front now and the side now, you want to close this bust dart. Please ensure you always close your bust dart if you are putting bust dart on your jacket. And any cloth at all, if you are making bust dart, please ensure you close it. So we close it. Can you see? So I've gone ahead to close our bust dart. So we are done for the front pattern, we are done for the back. So your jacket is set. Your jacket is set. I'll be snapping it to see it so that you can see the outcome of the jacket. Thank you for watching and God bless.